small kitchen where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Guys, I hope you're doing very good today, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you this deliciousness of the recipe. We're going to be making baked tilapia wrapped in bacon. Yes, you heard me right. Wrapped in bacon is so easy. Serve this with mashed potatoes with broccoli like I did, or also with french fries or rice and beans. It's going to taste so good. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the ingredients. So we're going to start with our fillet. I have here 4 tilapia fillets. What I did was cut it in half. I also washed it with water and drained it and set it aside in my baking pan. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, juice of half a lime, half a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, which is amazingly delicious on seafood, also poultry, ground black pepper to taste, and salt to taste as well. And I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. So I'm going to be using 2 types of bacon. I have here maple bacon and turkey bacon as well because my sister doesn't like pork bacon. So I'm using 2 different ones. Now what we're going to do with the tilapia is start seasoning it. I'm starting with the lime juice. Also salt and pepper to taste. We want to season each fillet, fish fillet. So make sure you are seasoning it very well. Next is our garlic powder, our paprika powder, and our Old Bay seasoning. And last, our Worcestershire sauce, which is going to add a lot of flavor to the fish fillets. Now we're going to massage it, make sure both sides are well seasoned. Now, my friends, all we're going to do is just wrap our tilapia into the delicious maple bacon or your favorite type of bacon. Super easy. As you can see, now I'm going to be doing this to each tilapia fillet. And now I'm going to use the turkey bacon. We're just going to be doing the same thing, just wrapping our tilapia into the turkey bacon. And I promise you it's going to taste equally as delicious. And now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And that's it, guys. Super delicious tilapia wrapped in bacon. And I'm just topping it off with dried parsley. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time.